Hi guys, welcome to KDP School. Let me show you how you can resolve intellectual property violation on Facebook. So many of us are facing these situations that due to posts we shared or content we posted or people's content that we downloaded and reposted has given us intellectual property right, and these violations has been on our pages for years. And now things what you need to know about these most times about these violations are copyright. We don't allow to share. You need to know these things about Facebook. So we don't allow people to share or send something that infringe someone else copyright. Examples of this: we don't allow sharing of content owned by someone else without their permission unless a legal exception applies. Secondly, promoting or sharing links to content that facilitate copyright infringement. You can still infringe on someone else's copyright even if you give credit to the owner. Disclaim you don't intend to infringe copyright. Modify the work or add your own material. Even if you do all these things, you can still have copyright. Your freedom of expression. We want you to share freely with others. We only remove things or restrict people to keep the community respectful and safe. So this is what Facebook requires of you, and these are things you need to note. Once you go against this thing, you have gotten a violation. Now, what is the way out? First of all, once you get a violation, straight up go to your notepad on your phone. Once you go to your notepad on your phone, you prepare a message like this: hello sir, I'm deeply sorry for lifting your content to repost without your consent on my Facebook profile. This is the name of my Facebook profile, David Ruben, and video has been removed, deleted. But this action has impacted intellectual property rights violation on my profile. I'm deeply sorry for this. Can you please review this and resolve this problem? Then you add your page link. All you need to do, you copy this. And once you copy this, you head over to your Facebook. Now, at the top, you're going to see three lines. Click on it. This will bring you to your professional dashboard. Now you can see this is the violation. Click on it. Details. Click on details. Once you click on details, you're going to see actions has been taken. They have given you the copyright violation issues and all that. Videos have been. If you click here now, you see the video has been removed. We removed your video. Why this happened? They will show you everything you need to know. Now, if you need to know further things, you can click here. To keep people safe, we ask everyone using our technology to follow rules such as community standard, blah 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 blah. That is things that you need to know. Now let's go back to further resolve this matter. So you tap here. So you click on see options. Now you can see they're giving option on what to do. Now I normally we're going to choose the first option to email the person that owns. You can see the name of the person that gave me the violation is here, their phone number is here. So click on send email. Send email. Once you click on send email, don't forget you have copied that email that you prepared on your notepad. You have copied it, so it's gonna come up. Already Facebook will fix the name of, you can see the name has automatically come up. All you need to do, just type property right violation, property right violation, then drop your email, paste it here. So just paste your image here, then click send at the top here. Click send. It will automatically send the email to the person, and all you need to do, you pray, hopefully the person will respond and lift the violation that the person placed on your content, on that content that you went and lifted. So don't forget to share. I know you've gotten something meaningful from this video. Don't forget to share, like my page KDP School, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification bell to all. See you in the next video. Peace. Thanks, greatness. You are the best. See you in the next video.